Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hello YouTube family, this your boy Ray Mack. I want to show you the best way to cook fried shrimp. Right now I want you to go ahead and start off with some all-purpose flour, and I do have a ice cream bowl, so save your ice cream containers for this purpose. Then I have some kosher salt. I'm going to try my best to leave the ingredients for you guys below. Then I have some baking powder to go with this as well. If you could, please subscribe, comment, and like this video. I'm telling you, you're going to love this content, so don't go nowhere, because at the end it's going to be miraculous. You're going to love this, okay? Now, the next ingredients, I want you to try some of this here Uncle Steve Shake's Gator Shake. And you can go to UncleSteveShakes.com and you can check out exactly what other products he does have. And I'm telling you, y'all, this is some good seasoning. Then I'm starting out with some Spain Spices spicy seasoning. For a lot of you guys who follow me, you know I love Spain Spices. Go to Spain Spices and use the promo code LOVERayMack and you'll get 15% off of your ordering. I'm telling you, you'll love Spain Spices. Now I just want you to whisk all these seasonings together inside that flour, incorporate everything, because we're about to set it off. Now I want you to take at least about 2/3 cup, and we're going to use some beer, y'all. And one of the beer choices for this recipe, because I always use this particular beer in any recipe that calls for beer, is Miller High Life beer. I love this stuff. I don't drink it right now, but I love it. All right, it's good for your recipe. Trust and believe me, you will not dislike this recipe. So don't omit this, but please use it. Then I want you to also use a whole cup of beer. And once again, I'm gonna say it again, I'm leaving the ingredients below for you guys. And I also have 2 eggs. Now I want to go ahead and whip all of this together. And after that, we're gonna take our shrimp, which I've cleaned and deveined, and add into the bowl as well. But watch this here recipe, and I guarantee you, you're gonna love it, and I'm hoping that you'll give it a try. Here's a quick question for you guys. How many of you actually keep your containers? Like I said, I have an ice cream container, and this works well for any particular type of recipe that I want to marinate, whether it be wings, thighs, legs, even some beef or fish. So I got me some hot vegetable oil in a cast iron skillet, and I went and I sliced me some potatoes. And I think this is like 1 whole potato that I've sliced, and I want to just make me some chips to go with this here recipe, okay? So this is all I'm doing, y'all. I just got me some potatoes and I'm frying them up right now. So I'm gonna double fry these, okay? So I'm frying them one time. Once I finish frying them, I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna season them with some fry seasoning. And then after that, I'm gonna double fry them again, just so they can get a nice crispy texture to them, all right? So we're having fries with this as well. seasonings to it. All right, I know I said fries, but these are little chips, potato chips. Now I got my shrimp, and I'm just dripping my shrimp inside this here pan with no coating or nothing. I'm just putting them from the batter to the grease, from the batter to the grease. I'm telling you, you've got to try this here batter on these shrimps, and this is one of the best way to cook fried shrimp. All right, trust me, you won't be disappointed. And another thing I do want you to do is not overcrowd your pan with the shrimp, because if you do, it's going to bring down the heat in your grease, and we don't want that. So if you can cook in batches, that will definitely help you out in the long run. Once you finish cooking your shrimp, take them out of the pan, allow your grease to heat back up to the temperature at least around about 325, and then go ahead and start your next batch. Now, since we got our shrimp cooked, now I want you to go ahead and take your potatoes, and this will be the second fry. And the only thing we want to do is just fry these up until we get like a hard texture on the outside. Once we've received that hard texture, I want you to go ahead and take them on up out of there, and we're ready to plate up our dish. So now we're gonna go ahead and plate up our dish. So we have our potato chips ready, and I'm telling you right now, they're golden brown and they taste phenomenal. And along with that, we got as a side of some teriyaki broccoli. And I want to show you guys how I created this teriyaki broccoli only using one ingredient. And I guarantee you, if you use these ingredients, you can't go wrong with this. And we also have our golden fried shrimp. And I want to show you the best way possible to cook these shrimp. And I'm telling you right now, you will not be disappointed. So go ahead and put on a side of ketchup for your potato chips, and then I want you to get you some of your favorite cocktail sauce for your shrimp, and I want you to enjoy. If this recipe is something that you like, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below. Please let me know if you keep your containers. If you do keep your containers, whether it be a pie pan, a bowl, or even a mason mayonnaise jar, let me know in the comment section below. All right. Now I want you to do me a favor if you can. I want to say thank you so much for watching Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Also, hit that subscribe button by clicking on my photo right now and become a Ray Mack's family member. Please watch my suggested videos and also watch the next video. I love you, love and not hate. Peace, and I love you all.